everybody, my name is Sveta and I study to this school. Now I'm very happy because I think that this school is very good school and the teachers who work here is big professionalist. So I think that here I take a lot of experience, a lot of practice, and I like this school very much. I like the teachers who teach here, and I like the students who study here. Everybody is very pleasant and very beautiful and always smile, and it's very pleasant for me to communicate with everybody who work here and who studies here, so I want to say that you need to study here. It's very useful for you to have some education in this school. You take a good education. I think that I give an excellent education in this school, and I'm very happy. Thank you.